Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get extra Moonlight crystals in Heartopia. So you'll get about 50, I think. Go to your watch and go to settings and go to redeem code and type in make a wish. Press redeem and then select got it. And then if you open your mailbox, you can also open it in your watch. You can claim 50 Moonlight crystals. So just press claim. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!